Street Dance Competition. A stage where passion meets power and every beat becomes a battleground of stories. Told not with words but with movement. So tonight, we celebrate more than just dance. We celebrate talent and culture. We are here to witness the raw, unstoppable energy of local dancers, hailing mostly from Mindanao, who continue to break barriers and set the world on fire with every step, lock, pop, and drop. So Filipinos have always been natural storytellers. From ancient epics to modern movements, we have a way of expressing our struggles. And tonight, our dancers will do exactly just that. Through hip-hop and street, we show the world that storytelling isn't just found in books or stages. It is found in the rhythm of our bodies and in the fire of our hearts. So to every dancer here today, keep dancing, keep dreaming, keep being unapologetically passionate, because Filipino dancers, especially you, are world class. You carry with you not just choreography, but identity. Not just beats, but bravery. So thank you for being a part of the Kinabayaw Festival 2025, where we honor the past, we celebrate the present, and we move toward a future that is bold, free, and unbound. Let the music drop, let the stories rise. Daghang salamat and enjoy the show.